other big story of this morning, at a time when there is a raging face-off over, Operation Sindoor and Donald Trump's repeated assertion that he brokered ceasefire between India and Pakistan, the US president has dropped the tariff bomb. He announced 25% tariff on India along with penalty. What is it for? Donald Trump says it's for buying military equipment and energy from Russia. So the 25% US tariff on India will take effect from tomorrow. While making this very announcement, Donald Trump said that US has a massive trade deficit with India. So this is what Donald Trump has said. Let's listen in.
Mentioned today that India, in addition to its 25% tariff rate, would pay an additional penalty because of its support of Russia. What is that additional penalty? And are other countries facing the same threat?
Well, we're negotiating right now, and it's also BRICS. You know, they have BRICS, which is basically a group of countries that are anti the United States, and India is a member of that, if you can believe it. It's an attack on the dollar, and we're not going to let anybody attack the dollar. So it's partially BRICS, and it's partially the trade, this trade situation. It's the deficit. We had a tremendous deficit. So, as you know, Prime Minister Modi is a friend of mine, but they don't do very much business in terms of business with us. They sell a lot to us, but we don't buy from them. You know why? Because the tariff is so high. They have one of the highest tariffs in the world. Now, they're willing to cut it very substantially, but we'll see what happens. We're talking to India now. We'll see what happens. It doesn't matter too much whether we have a deal or whether we charge them a certain tariff, but you'll know at the end of this week.
So viewers, India has issued an official response to Donald Trump's tariff announcement. We're going to break it down here and we'll tell you graphically what India's response has been. So take a look at what the Ministry of Commerce and Industry has said. It has said that the government took note of the statement of the US president. Then it also went on to say that the government is now studying the implications of what Donald Trump has done. Then they have conducted talks for fair, balanced trade deal. This has been the response of the Ministry of Commerce. They've also added that we remain committed to our objectives. Then, we will take all steps necessary to secure our interest. That is the country's interest. So this is the response of the government of India. And now Donald Trump once again has come up with another ludicrous claim. We'll tell you about it. But here it is the government of India that has responded and has said that India remains committed to safeguarding its own interests. And now Donald Trump has fired the dead economy jibe at India. What has Donald Trump said in his latest diatribe after dropping the tariff bomb? Let's take our viewers through the details. He's escalating the trade war, the tariff war with India. In his latest statement, he says that I do not care what India does. Then he fires this dead economy jibe. And that's his post that you're seeing on your screens. He says, I don't care what India does with Russia. They can take their dead economies down together for all I care. We have done very little business with India. Their tariffs are too high, among the highest in the world. Likewise, Russia and the United States of America do almost no business together. Let's keep it that way. And let's also tell Medvedev, the failed former president of Russia, who thinks he's still the president, to watch his words. He's entering a very dangerous territory. So here it is Donald Trump taking aim at Russia. And at the same time, he also goes ahead and he says, I don't care what India does with Russia. They can take their dead economies down together. What is behind this kind of a meltdown by Donald Trump after dropping the tariff bomb? When the response has come in from the government of India that we are, analyzing what these tariffs that have been imposed by the US president, we are going to do everything to safeguard our interests. That is the response that has come in from the Commerce Ministry. In the meantime, it is Donald Trump who's escalating the fight with India. In this, he goes on to fire the dead economies jibe. You can see how he's been very scathing in his attack against Russia, and at the same time he's also taking jibes at India. What has resulted in this kind of a meltdown? We will give you a backdrop on the same, but once again, viewers, take a look at your screens. This is the latest post by Donald Trump, who after dropping the tariff bomb of 25% goes ahead and makes this statement. Now this tariff, 25% tariff that has been imposed on India by Donald Trump has led to a lot of back and forth in India, war of words between the opposition and the government, the Congress party taking aim at the BJP, asking the BJP, what has your dosti yielded? Reminding the government of the slogans that were made in favor of Donald Trump in the past, and going on to ask what exactly has India achieved if Donald Trump goes ahead and, drops this kind of a tariff bomb on India. It also comes... Now, we'll tell you more about... Okay, there's breaking news update coming in ahead of the Parliament session, ahead of today's session. The Congress has moved an adjournment motion with regards to Trump tariffs. So we're seeing the politics that's playing out after the dead economy's jibe, after dropping the tariff bomb, which has led to a lot of domestic politics and war of words between the government and the opposition. The Congress has moved an adjournment motion. This has been moved by Congress's Manikam Tagore. A notice has been given in the Lok Sabha with regards to the latest tariff. So the tariff row and the politics around it is going to resonate in Parliament as well. So a Sansad Sangram and a showdown is also likely, with the Congress's MP giving an adjournment motion and a notice that has been given in the Lok Sabha. Manikam Tagore has given this adjournment notice on the tariffs that have been imposed by the United States of America. But let's also listen in to some more reactions that are coming in, this time from Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
On tariff, ma'am. What do you say, ma'am?
Well, everybody has seen कि अमेरिका के राष्ट्रपति जी ने क्या कहा है, टैरिफ के बारे में बोला है और जंग के बारे में फिर से बोला है कि मेरे कहने से भारत और पाकिस्तान दोनों ने जंग रोकी। तो दोनों चीज़ों का जवाब सरकार को देना पड़ेगा। मोदी जी हर जगह जाते हैं, पूरी दुनिया में घूमते हैं, दोस्ती करते हैं लोगों के साथ और फिर हमें ये मिलता है।
पाकिस्तान के साथ भी डील की है यूएस में, मैम।
So there you heard the latest statement by Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. She's taking aim at the government, asking Donald Trump has made his assertion with regards to stopping the India-Pakistan war once again and has also dropped the tariff bomb. So what has this friendship yielded? But at the same time, there are supporters of the Bharatiya Janata Party who are making an argument that the fact that Donald Trump has imposed 25% tariff, he earlier said that he used trade as one of the main points to stop the war between India and Pakistan, and now that he's imposed a 25% tariff, it goes on to show that Trump all the way lied with regards to the mediation. But going back to the criticism that's coming in from the Congress party on the Trump tariff, my colleague Sabyasachi is with us. We're expecting a showdown in the Parliament once again. 25% tariff imposed on India by Donald Trump, one jibe after the other coming in. What is the opposition strategy, Sabyasachi?
Well, the opposition has called for a floor leaders meeting of all the India bloc parties, and they are going to discuss about the 25% tariff that has been imposed by the United States. Now, the opposition is of the view that by time and again, Donald Trump making claims that he brokered peace between India and Pakistan, and now putting a tariff of around 25%. The opposition sees that India somewhere is seen as weak by the United States, and the opposition party questions that why is Prime Minister Narendra Modi still silent on this regard, and on the latest tweet that has come in from US President Donald Trump in social media X, that a new deal has been signed between US and Pakistan, that in the future he wished that India would buy oil from Pakistan. Now, this particular statement also has been picked by the opposition. Now the opposition parties have given several adjournment motions today in the Parliament, and they want a discussion on this regard as soon as possible, and they want that the Speaker of Lok Sabha would allow the opposition parties to have a discussion on the 25% tariff that has been imposed by US President Donald Trump, and also why is the central government still silent, and they also want a certain transparency as far as a trade agreement between India and US that is going on is concerned.
But there also seems to be a divide in the opposition with regards to Trump tariffs. You saw that statement by Manish Tiwari, who has said India is engaging with the world on its own terms and India is doing everything to protect its strategic autonomy. With that, viewers, it's time for us to take a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates. Stay with us.